Hey, so I'm Izzy Mahoney and I've just completed a master's degree in electrical and electronic engineering and been asked to comment on my time at Cardiff, and I've honestly enjoyed it so much. I really love Cardiff as a city. It's got really nice people, quick to get around, very safe, cheap, great nightlife, ticks all the boxes. And I've really enjoyed my degree particularly as well. I've also played hockey whilst at uni, and just had a really fantastic time, so I would really recommend it to anyone. So as for the engineering school, they are super well organised, really helpful, very kind and considerate people that work at the school. I really can't speak highly enough of them, particularly Johnny Lees. He's been my year 4 tutor this year, and he's been fantastic throughout this whole period of lockdown and throughout the coronavirus sort of situation. So in regards to that, I honestly can't complain. I don't feel I've been at any detriment whatsoever. Everyone's always been very honest and open about everything that's been going on, and we were given extra time and open book exams. So yeah, no complaints there whatsoever. Whilst I've been at Cardiff, I've been lucky enough to get a Power Academy scholarship, and that's something you can get with the electrical and electronic engineering degree only, unfortunately, but I'd really recommend applying to that in your first year. So you can do it with loads of different companies. Mine was with Siemens, and so I joined in my second year because I only found out about it then, so I would join in first if you can. But so I did 2 placements, one in Manchester and one in Newcastle, and and they were really fantastic, prepped me for industry, developed my communication skills, teamwork skills, all of that sort of thing. So would really recommend to anyone joining the electrical and electronic engineering degree. So my projects this year, so my 4th year project, so in your final year of your masters, half of the year counts towards 2 different projects that you do, well for my year anyway, and that then your final year contributes 50% of your final degree accreditation, so they ultimately have like a big weighting on what you finally get. And I got really 2 cool projects. Another girl and I were developing the battery for the electric vehicle Formula Student car. So it was all sort of design process. It's not actually been developed yet, but that was really fun. And then my other project was looking into the multi-physics reasoning behind a potential cancer treatment that Cardiff have developed, and that was a really interesting project, and really tied in a lot that I'd learned through previous years. So you as you're going through these modules at the beginning that can sometimes seem a bit monotonous, and you're learning lots of different things and you think kind of why, it all really gets tied in at the end. So really great degree in general. I've really enjoyed my time. So I'm now going on to the technology graduate scheme for Sky, the TV company, in London, where I'm from. So I'm really looking forward to that, and really lucky to have got it as well. So any recommendations? Right, save any exam papers that you can access now, because you might want them in a couple of years' time. But yeah, in general, had a great time, would really recommend it to anyone, and good luck.